Good morning again. Okay, now our next topic we will discuss today reproductive health. Earlier we have discussed about the reproductive parts of male and female. Now today we will discuss about reproductive health. What is reproductive health? Okay, okay. One the great institution is there in world that is called WHO, World Health Organization. So what it says, reproductive health, that means well-being in all aspect of reproduction. That means physical, emotional, socially, okay, and by behavior. That means reproductive health means if a person, either it is a male or female, if it is physically healthy, emotionally healthy, socially healthy and behaviorally healthy, we can say he is reproductive healthy. But why this is very important topic? You know that in every year in many countries of the world, the girl's child being married before the consented or legal age. So what happens? Does they really get mature and they can legally reproductive? No. So that's why this topic is very important for us. So for reproductive health, what are the important things we must discuss? First, the legal age of marriage. Friends, in case of female, it should be 18 year, and in case of male, it should be 21 year. Okay, before this age the marriage is illegal, okay, according to WHO and Indian constitution. Second thing, they must aware of reproductive parts and STDs, sexually transmitted disease. Okay. Third one, they must have the knowledge of pregnancy. I will discuss in detail. And then fourth one is they must have balanced diet to get healthy lifestyle. Okay, now I will discuss little bit detail. According to legally or legal age of marriage is, in case of female it is 18 year and male is 21 year. So before this age, that is not allowed by the government. So at this age what happens? Because at that age, by the hormone changes, most of the male and female get fully matured and their reproductive organ also get mature, and they aware of different kind of their the changes take place in their body. They are mentally also mentally they are, we can say, fully developed. And second point, they must aware of reproductive parts and can protect from STD. STD is very biggest problem. You know that the South Africa in continent, what happens, approximately 30% population is suffering from sexually transmitted diseases like HIV. So That's why. Because of why? Because the tribal peoples are living there and their age of marriage is also less in that countries. That's why. And because of polygamy, more number of males and females and their tribal behavior, they are get infected by HIV infection. So it's very difficult, okay, to treat. So sexual transmitted disease knowledge must be there, and then they must have the knowledge of pregnancy, because at this age the girl and the male both are mentally prepared to have the child. That's why they know what are the necessary condition, necessary requirement of pregnancy, how to take care of yourself or the family. That's why it is very very important. Then the last point, they must have the balanced diet. That means because already if the female get pregnant, she must take the balanced diet so that the fetus or the placenta get the balanced nutrition, and finally the mother and the developing child both have the good health. That's why this reproductive health is very very important. Okay.